Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be doing a new nail polish of the week video on both of my hands actually, because I had just fixed like 3 or even 4 tears that I had in my nails. Of course I had shortened them already, but I've been so rough with my hands and nails lately that it was just a hot mess. So yeah, let's just start off with a base coat because I am going in with one of my favorites, or at least at the moment this is one of my favorites. It is from Catrice Cosmetics. It is from the Gellac line, which is their regular nail polish line. This is the Ultimate Grip base coat. I will be using the Ultimate Stay top coat as well afterwards. I was actually looking for my Trind base and top coat because I do know I have some of those, because I am going to use color-wise a color by Trind from their new collection, but I just can't find that top coat and base coat. I just don't know where I put it. It is like, I don't know, all of my nail polishes are stored all together. I have gone through every single drawer and I just can't find them. So I don't know where I have misplaced them, but they definitely are misplaced. Let's just put it at that. But yeah, my nails are really short at the moment. As usual, they are already very shiny looking because I always apply a thin layer of gel polish base and gel polish top coat, just the regular soak off ones by Pink Gellac. I do so to prevent my nails from staining because I do a lot of swatch videos, but they also give a little extra strength to my natural nails, especially if they are getting a lot longer than they are right now. A little extra strength can be nice, especially knowing I am a mom of 2 small boys. Aeon is 2.5, Apollo is almost 15 months, so yeah. My hands are very filled on a daily basis, and my boys are not the most gentle kind of boys. Especially like Aeon, he's like full on toddler mode. He is crazy toddler from time to time. So yeah, roughhousing is something that is the standard in this house. But yeah, it sometimes kills my nails, let's just put it to that. But for today's color, I already mentioned it is one by Trind. It is from their Caring color collection, or at least I think this was the Festival de Fleur collection. I have done a full swatch and review video on all 6 of the shades that are in this collection, but I just really wanted to just pick one and do a nail polish of the week with it and just paint both of my hands, because I have not done this in a really long time and I just really wanted to do so because it just makes me feel like myself a little bit more when I have both of my hands fully painted. And also I wanted to do like a marble design with this color as a base as well. But just a little side note, if you do hear any strange background noises like trucks and stuff passing by, that is totally correct because my windows are wide open. It has been steaming hot here in the Netherlands for the past weeks, I'd say. I am not made for hot weather, but it is a little bit like cooler today, so I have just opened every single window in this house to make sure the heat like goes away from the inside. So yeah, that is why if you do hear any like weird background noises, that is pretty much it. But yeah, as I mentioned, I am applying this to both hands. I am going to apply 2 coats. It definitely is a color you can do a 1 coater of as well if you like the really sheer like iridescent look, but I just want a little bit extra opacity, just a little bit more oomph, if you know what I mean. This color is actually not a color that I would usually like have my first pick of. That is because it is a light champagne-y, nudie kind of color, kind of like pearlescent as well. I tend to really not like colors like these, but this one has such a beautiful pinkish sheen that I just can't dislike it, if you know what I mean. I know it is definitely a shade I wouldn't pick very often or very quickly, but that is also the reason that I was like, I'm just going to apply this on both of my hands just to see whether or not I like it. And I have to say, I have worn this on my hands before doing a nail art design on it, which there will be a video of as well, I think next week or the week after, I'm not quite sure yet. But I have worn this for already 1.5 weeks, which is quite long for me personally. And I have to say, like, looking at it right now, I'm still wearing it as we speak. It actually still looks really good, and it definitely has to do with the fact that this polish is a little bit on the lighter side, and it already is a little bit like see-through still, even with that second coat. I just don't dislike it, because even though it's a little bit see-through and it is a lighter shade, kind of pearlescent shimmery, it doesn't really show any tip wear that I already have. Like, if I look really up close and personal to my nails right now, I do still see a little bit of tip wear. Like, a little bit has rubbed off on the free edge, but not too bad. Like, ooh, way to go, Trind. These are very long lasting, to be honest. And as I mentioned, as a mom of 2 small boys, like, I am always busy, always working with my hands, always cleaning, always doing like everything. Usually nail polishes, just regular nail polishes, don't last longer than like a full week on me, and after 1.5 weeks, like almost going close to 2 weeks, it still looks really good. I could actually pull off wearing this for another week, I think. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with that. There are some carrying factors in these Trind polishes as well. Of course, that doesn't really apply to me because I already have a gel polish base and top coat underneath, like on my natural nail plate. But if you do apply this on your natural nails, of course, make sure to wear a decent base coat, because that always just elongates like wear time of your polishes. But also, I would highly suggest to just go with one by Trind as well, because they do have really nice carrying bases and top coats and just nail care in general. I really like the brand. It is a Dutch brand, by the way. They are a little bit more expensive, but I definitely think they are worth the money. They are less expensive than OPI. They're kind of similar to Essie in my opinion, but I do feel like Trind has just better quality. They are more opaque. If I had to choose, like, Essie has an insane, like, big collection of colors. They always come out with really cute colors as well. Trind doesn't really come out with new collections that often, but they do have a really nice wide range of colors too, and I just feel like they are better. Like, I can't lie, to be honest. Like, I'm too Dutch to not be direct and just open and honest about it. Like, of course, these are my opinions and my, how do you say that? Like, my experiences with this brand. If you do have any other experiences, let me know in the comments down below, because maybe you're a bigger fan of other brands, but I just, I love these. Oh, I also got a question on where to get Trind. You can actually order them online directly from their own web store. I'm not quite sure if they are sold like through other sellers. I haven't seen them at Boozy Shop. I haven't really seen them that much at like my local drugstore. I do think they do sell like the bases and top coats there, but the colors I'm not quite sure. Trind is just a little bit more exclusive when it comes to that, but you can just order them directly from their own web page. But yeah, I'm already applying the top coat, and I don't really have a lot more to say, to be honest. I just really like this polish, and I wasn't really expecting that. As I mentioned, I have done a marble design with the other colors as well, using this Magnolia champagne color as a base. I will try and see if I can edit that for next Sunday. But yeah, just keep an eye out for that. I really love the outcome of that marble as well. It is really beautiful, and it's also really easy to do for everyone just starting out doing nail art or just not being good at it. The design is really easy and pretty much everyone can do it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you next time.